Hi everyone, it's me, your Ate Rubes, and for today's video, we're gonna unbox my buy one take one tinted moisturizer from Perfume Dessert. By the way guys, I got this from Shopee for the price of 355 pesos including shipping fee. Okay, so si Perfume Dessert Tinted Moisturizer comes in the 3 shades. First shade is the soya milk, second one is the milk tea, third shade is the latte. So I got 2 shades here, the soya milk and the milk tea. And for your personal reference guys, the shade soya milk is suitable for a fair skin tone, the milk tea shades is suitable for a light skin tone, and the latte shades is probably suitable for a person has a medium skin tone. So ayan, sana may natutunan kayo. In addition, this tinted moisturizer comes with SPF 15, which is good, and it has 42.5 grams per squeeze tube. And according to the descriptions of this product, this is a reliable tinted moisturizer and the secret of perfect no makeup look. What? Alright. Okay, so this is a soya milk shade. As you can see, a very light shade na may pagka-pinkish yung glow. Like I said, bagay siya sa mga may fair skin tone with cool undertone like mine. At yung consistency niya is thick. And this is the milk tea shades on the left side. Can you spot the difference? And also, like I said, bagay siya sa may mga light skin tone under neutral undertone. And same, the consistency is thick. At kapag i-mix natin yung dalawa, it will become a latte shade for sure. Bago natin siya i-try, itutour ko muna kayo sa aking bare face, as in no anything on it. As you can see, maraming redness, maraming mga small bumps, and maraming mga discolorations, at super uneven skin tone. Okay, so this is the milk tea shades on half of my face. Hindi niya natakpan lahat ng chismis, but it's okay. Dahil wala naman siyang claim na full coverage. It's just like my skin but better with dew effect. And this is the soya milk, which is my shade. Here's the finished product. I don't know if you can spot the difference there. Baka hindi lang ma-justify ng camera ko, but I can see clearly here in person. They are both nice on my face, same effect, and different shades. Just that I like soya milk because this is my shade. So here's a tip. You can never go wrong in choosing your shade if you know already what skin tone or undertone you belong. Always remember that. Bye!